Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Softr for no-code app building, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To begin logging into Softr, open your preferred web browser. Type the URL www.softr.io into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Softr homepage loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will see fields for your email address and password. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Softr dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure your email and password are correct. Double-check for any typos or case sensitivity in your credentials. If you still cannot log in, consider clearing your browser cache. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up option to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your new account. After logging in successfully, explore the platform to start building your no-code application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.